Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to another video, guys. Welcome to another video. Today is it's Wednesday, the 21st of May, and yeah, guys. Let me just give you guys my weekly overview of what the market's gonna do this week, guys. I know I am a bit late. You know, should have done this video on Monday, but yeah. So, guys, from the bed. Looking at GBP, CHF. If you could go to the daily, I think I said this on the previous video. That on GBP, CHF, I'm looking for. I think the market was around here, and I was like, I'm looking for that impulse, then the retest. So you guys can currently see that we have just started the pullback phase. We are now retesting into our points of interest somewhere here. I will mark that up, but I'm just trying to show you guys that the market is moving accordingly, and I'm gonna look to buy GBP shares, guys. Last week I wasn't. I did get into some trades. I think I got into one trade here. I anticipated the market to sell like somewhere here. Yeah, it was like around here. I thought the market was gonna sell, but then it was a premature entry. The market did push up to take out the stop losses. Then now it's selling, but that's fine. That's fine. We look for the buys now. So yeah, let me go to the daily. But you guys can see that on the daily, overall we are bearish. I'm just waiting for something like this, guys. Once the market taps into the zone, I look for sells to this low right here, because why this high broke this low, which means this high is a strong high, guys. So when we expect this high to come and break this low. So yeah, guys, that's basically my overview for GBP chef. Yeah, let me check what's going on here in terms of the zones. I'm a bit sick, guys. Right now I'm just marking our range. This is a low, this is a minor low, okay, break of structure, and okay, we've got our high right here. This is our high. So we're working within this range, right? So that's all that we need to do. And then now what do? We look for points of interest. Let me look at the daily right here. We have tapped into discounts. See. Because I'm not gonna lie, you know, normally they say when drawing your zone is normally the last bearish candle before the move. So I'm gonna take this candle right here, guys. I'm gonna base my zone off of this daily candle, which price has already tapped. You know what I'm saying? Well, it hasn't tapped, but it's gonna tap. So yeah, I'm gonna take this whole range right here, guys, as my zone because I don't see any other zones here that's valid. So for me, once price taps this zone, I'm no more looking for sells. I'm just gonna look for buy entries. Well, for buy entry confirmations. So yeah, once the market comes into this zone, I'm just gonna look for buys, right? Because also this zone date is in the discount. Yeah, so I'm gonna look to sell from here on GBP share. The dollar index, guys. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, guys. The dollar index. I did predict this move, but then I was just not following my rules, man. I did say that once price touches the zone, I'm gonna start looking for sales here on the dollar index. But then I won't lie, guys. Price has been moving so mad. Hey, well, I don't know if the price is the problem or it's me, cause I've just been seeing buys here, you know. Cause like look at this internal structure right here. We were moving like this, so I thought maybe it's gonna start buying to the upside a bit before selling, but then nah, it just sold, man. Like I feel like also it's me, hey, cause like I said it before, but then price was just not printing the buys. Like it wasn't printing proper structure for me to say that I want to sell this thing. So that's just yeah, man. It's been tough trading the dollar pairs. I lost a lot of money. These past 2 weeks have been tough. I'm not gonna lie. I dare your boy did lose some money on my demo account, but um I'm planning on buying a funded account, guys. I'm gonna buy a funded account and we'll see how that goes, bro. I'm gonna buy my first funded account, but anyway, that's not the point. In the dollar index, guys, I am bearish right now. I don't see any bulls, bro. I don't see any bulls, even though internal structure is still bullish on the daily, though, because that's what's confusing, bro. Like this is what is confusing about this whole shit right here. Because if you just look at the daily, right? Let's look at the daily, guys. Let's look at the daily, bro. I wanna show you something. Let me remove this shit. I'm trying to show you something, bro. You guys can clearly see, bro, on the daily, right? How is structure moving on the dollar index? It's making this impulse corrective structure right here. So what's this here, guys? We still, what's going on here? Is this trend bullish or bearish? This is a bullish trend, so we still bullish technically, but we came into our zone. You guys can check. We came into our zone and we tapped the zone. So now what's confusing me is that we tapped into our zone, our point of interest, you know, but we are still bullish within like we still bullish because this is high isn't higher than the head high. This high, I mean this high, this high is higher than this high. That high is higher than this high. In order for me to say that okay now we are bearish, this low needs to get disrespected, which is this low right here. Let me mark it up. Let's go. This low needs to be violated. I need to see a violation of this low. I'm not gonna lie. On the daily, I'm gonna have to wait for the daily to do something like this. You know, this is how I feel like the market's gonna move, right? So we are here right now. It might do something like go up, then shoot down, then we look for that sell, then we sell with it. Because at the moment, no, it's very confusing, eh? It's very confusing. You know, it might just do that, or you might get the bullish candle today. You might just get the bullish candle today on some bam. Let me show you on some bam, and then price shoots down a bit. You know, when the price taps somewhere here to come back up to give us an entry, then we sell with it. You know, but we'll see what going, bro. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But I strongly believe that we are gonna sell. Dollar's gonna go down. So which means on our other pairs we're looking to buy them. Yes. Because price impulse, then impulse correction. Now we're in an impulsive phase. So we might get that correction before selling. And then after we can wait for that import the correction to then sell. So we still need to wait, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, we're still gonna have to wait. This is the hard part about the market, bro. It's the waiting part. I'm not gonna lie. You see how I have a plan now on what I'm looking for. There's a high chance I might even disrespect it, and that's the hard part of trading. When you set your rules, you need to follow your rules, bro. And I won't lie, I've got this tendency where I don't follow rules. I just be doing my own thing sometimes. But then yeah, we're trying to stop that, hey. We need to stop that. Um fuck. This thing, this thing. What are you doing, bro? Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, that's basically what I see for the dollar. I don't wanna spend too much time here, dog. You guys can clearly see the laptop is busy taking here. Like look now, it's just loading. Ah, fuck. So yeah guys, just for the purpose of the video, let me just quickly just go move on to the next pair because yeah, this PC is just acting up. But I am bearish on the dollar, so which means I anticipate other my major pairs to go up, and which is what's happening right now. You guys can clearly see GBP USD is now starting to go, like it's beginning that the impulsive phase now on the daily now, because it did chow me. I'm not gonna lie, I thought we were selling, bro. Honestly, after this break of structure candle here, and then I thought the market was gonna come retest and shoot down. Maybe you're supposed to come into these areas here, but that's not the case, bro. That's not the case. Yeah, we're going up now. Price is breaking structure, and yeah, I won't lie, I got chowed. Yeah, I think I had two trades, lost both of them. yeah, I think I had a trade somewhere here. I was anticipating sales. I caught some sales somewhere here, but then it chowed me. And I think also yesterday, no, yesterday was Euro USD. I tried buying Euro USD. I'll show you when. But then, yeah, I was convinced we're selling from this move right here. I was wrong, bro. I was wrong. This thing is gonna go. It's gonna buy. I'm convinced that we're buying here now. Yeah, I'm very convinced we're buying. And yeah, guys, all we need to do now is just wait for like any sort of pullback, and then we just buy. That's it. Same thing with Euro USD. I was buying some. I was selling it somewhere here. I even left manually because I saw. I was like, you know. But then I did disrespect my thing because I once said if it comes here as well, I'm gonna look for buys, which I didn't. Because why? It was still printing that bearish structure, so I thought we're gonna continue selling. Yeah, no, didn't, bro. So that's cool. Euro GBP, bro. I haven't traded this pair. I haven't traded Euro GBP as of yet. Still hasn't reached my point of interest, and my laptop just froze. Jesus Christ. Alright, so Euro GBP has not reached my point of interest, so I have not been trading it. I've just been watching it. What I'm expecting from this is a sweep. I'm not gonna lie. I am expecting this to sweep. Then after it sweeps, then we can start looking to buy. To buy. Yes, to buy the market. The buy that's gonna come here on Euro GBP for me, I feel like it's gonna be a crazy buy, bro. Like, look at the daily, dog. Check the daily, bro. This is just, yeah, I know we buying now. I know we buying. We are buying Euro GBP. I'm not gonna lie. If this does not look bullish to you, then I don't know what is. What does? This is bullish, So, I'm expecting a young sweep before selling, before buying. I'm expecting it to do something like this. Maybe it might want to sweep us out first, then shoot up. You know, like I'm gonna make this line black now. Why do I make it blue? That's crazy, bro. Black. You know, I'm expecting something like this, bro. You know, then we might look to buy something. I don't know. Shoot up with it, bro. That's what I'm expecting on Euro GBP. Yeah, this is Euro GBP. Yes. Obviously, take partials in between, you know, but like overall, this is my move right here, dog. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the move I will be looking to take. Something like this. Do I think the market's gonna come here? I highly doubt it. I highly doubt, but yeah, this is the move I'm looking forward to on Euro GBP, bro. This is what I'm looking forward to. Just take a screenshot there. Let me take a screenshot for the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, yes, this is my anticipation, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video right here, guys. Mm-hmm. Um, GBP chef, I did mention that we are looking to buy now. I'm just gonna look for any bullish um, confirmations, then I will be buying GBP CHF. Guys, I don't know what's happening. My laptop is tweaking, bro. So I think I'm just gonna end the video right here because wow. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna end the video now, guys. Thanks for watching the video. This is very fast. Well, it's not a fast video, but it's not a good video. Okay, here's my laptop. Yeah, I already explained it. I'm waiting for it to come to this zone, then we start looking for buys. Simple. I'm gonna go on a smaller time frame, look for any change of character patterns, and then we buy GBP Chef. And yeah, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna have to cut the video. Bye bye.